Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I all use Charlotte Tilbury and I really like how this makeup turned out. Let me show you the close-up. Okay, this is the look, guys. So we're having glam moments here. Yes, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, today we're gonna doing, by the title as you already know, full face Charlotte Tilbury, which I am really excited of. For preparation of the skin, I didn't purchase the night cream or the primer, but I have the sample size of them because if I want to invest my money on this little bit expensive cream, I want to try first. So I figured it's the good chance to try. If I like it, I buy it later. Yes, this is the Magic Cream Light. So I'm gonna be starting using Magic Cream Light. As it says, it's really light. I don't know, it's because it's light. It's not that hydrating. I feel I would use some more. Okay, maybe that's enough. So it's the time for primer. It's the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. Yeah, it really gives me subtle glow and it's still hydrating. Should I use all? I don't know. I'm just gonna put all. Wow. Actually, I can get away use half of the package. I feel after the moisturize, I don't need whole package sample size of primer. Okay, my skin is well prepped. I'm really excited about today's video, guys. I have been collecting Charlotte Tilbury. Next, I'm gonna be using Hollywood Flawless. Hollywood Flawless Filter, and I'm just gonna apply high points of my face and everywhere where I want like some shine. It's really nice match with my skin, but I feel I might get like darker. It will still fit perfectly because I'm using it underneath, but you know what, I'm gonna use it as a highlighter as well. Wow, now I'm really really glowy. Actually, I just make sure I am like glowy enough and hydrated enough because I'm gonna be using Airbrush Flawless Foundation. It's the matte foundation. I'm in the shade 7.5 Natural. This is really nice full coverage. I really like this foundation. I feel the color is a little bit light for me. I'm just going over with this sponge to smooth out the bright strokes, which I don't have that much though. Okay, now I'm gonna... my hair is crazy. Now I'm gonna be starting on my eyes, but first let me clean my lip. I might add the foundation a little bit later after I done the eyes, and we'll see how much it's gonna be oxidized or if it's gonna be oxidized or not. Today's eyes, I'm gonna be using the Icon palette. Those colors is just calling my name, guys. So I had to take, especially this green. Wow, this color, I love it, and it is some neutrals. So we're gonna be going down today. For my eyelid, I'm just gonna use concealer. This is the Magic Away concealer in shade medium. Color is a little odd for me. It's so yellowy. So my under eye is gonna be a little dark, I believe. I'm definitely gonna use this green, guys. Definitely. So I'm gonna be starting with this color. This is the matte. This and the black is just the matte ones. Should I get you guys close up? Today I have green lens, but it doesn't look like cream though. I directly want to place this green and then I'm gonna decide which way we're gonna go. I'm just applying with the dry brush, guys. I feel with the dry brush it's blinding enough, which I don't need. Damp the brush. Okay, with finger, of course, it's more intense. I'm gonna be taking this color. First, I'm placing the color and then I'm gonna be blending. I'm taking our first crease color to blend this part. They blend really nicely. Okay, with the empty blending brush, I'm just diffusing the edge. Kind of. So next, I'm gonna be taking this color to apply on the brow bone. Next, I'm gonna be taking this gold. I'm gonna be placing it the inner part through the middle. So we're gonna create some nice transition. I'm taking this black, I'm applying it through the lash line, or maybe I'm gonna pack it to outer V. Normally black is the hardest for me to work, but this is still so nicely blending. I have some fallout with this matte shade. That's why, guys, I always prefer to do my eye first because we don't know if we're gonna have fallout or not. I think I'm gonna be using a little bit more foundation. Let's see how much it oxidizes. And after it oxidizes, it matched my body nicely. Nice. Let's use my concealer. I'm gonna be using same concealer. I'm cleaning the outer part a little bit, dragging it through the inner part. I'm gonna set my under eye really quick. I don't know if it's gonna crease or not, but we're not gonna testing this. So I'm gonna set it with Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. I'm in the shade number 2. I'm gonna be using again my Flawless Finish filter as a highlighter. It's really nice settle highlighter. It's not that blinding. See this nice glow? This is what I want. Now I'm gonna set my whole face. Now it's time for the bronzer. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using Airbrush bronzer. I got the shade in tan. I'm mostly concentrating higher on my cheek. I'm not gonna drive it to the down part. If you guys watch my last video, I show you guys some trick how you achieve lifting face by using just the makeup. So you're gonna see the dramatic differences. I done the halfway how I normally do my makeup, and another face we're using all the techniques possible to just give ourselves illusion of the lifting. Pops here. It's really nice video, guys, and don't be get scared of this sounds like tan. I'm normally medium, like the medium yellow undertonish. This bronzer is not like the packing lots of pigment at once, so you can build up the color. I love my bronze merge into the eyeshadow, so I'm just applying on this part. Now for under eye, let's finish the eye. Or maybe should we add blush now? For under eye, which color should I do? I guess I'm just gonna keep the under eye soft. So first I'm taking my first shade, this one, run it all the way through the under eye. Now I'm gonna be taking exactly the black. I don't wanna get too intense, but I just wanna define my lash line a little bit. And then I'm gonna taking this color. I'm just placing it in between black and the first crease color, so we're merging them all together. Okay guys, this is the eye. Let me pop my eyebrow and the lashes, everything Yeah. For my blush, I'm gonna be using Cheek to Cheek Swish to Pop Blusher in shade Climax. We have this nice color. I'm just gonna swirl around the outer part first. But still, my blush get the middle part. It's okay. And I'm placing it little outer part, not exactly apples of my cheek. See guys, it has sheen on it, so I don't need to put extra highlighter because we have really nice shiny eyes. Okay, now we have lip. For lip, I'm gonna be using Foxy Brown. I'm gonna be using Walk of Shame. This is the color. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Actually, I forget my inner parts. First, I'm gonna pop this one, then this one, the lightest shade on top. Okay, now we're done. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the look. If you guys like this kind of video, one brand, full face, like kind of full face, mostly full face of one brand. Comment down below which brand you want me to do next, and if you haven't watched my previous one brands of face videos, pops here again. We're popping on this video. That's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.